Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sendinblue for email marketing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Sendinblue website. Click on the sign up free button located on the home page. Enter your email address and create a password. After completing the form, click on the Create My Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Sendinblue. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Sendinblue website and log in with your credentials. On the dashboard, you'll be prompted to set up your account. Fill in your company information, such as name and address. Select your preferred language and time zone. Next, verify your email address by completing the identification process required by Sendinblue. Once verification is complete, you will be directed to your Sendinblue account dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Campaigns tab in the left menu. Click on Create a Campaign to start a new email campaign. Choose a campaign name and select your email subject line. Next, select your recipients by clicking on Choose Recipients. You can either upload a list or select from pre-existing contacts. After choosing your recipients, click Next. Now, it's time to design your email. Select an email template or choose to create one from scratch. Customize your email by adding images, text, and links. Use the drag and drop editor for easy customization. Once satisfied with the design, click on Next. Review your email settings including subject, sender name, and reply to address. When everything looks good, click on the Schedule option. Choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. Confirm your choices by clicking on Send Now or Schedule. Your email campaign is now set up and ready to go. Monitor the performance of your campaign using the analytics features in your dashboard. Explore other features such as automation, landing pages, and forms to enhance your email marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.